This video will show you how to register for courses at Citrus College. First, go to my.citruscollege.edu and be sure to log in using your single sign-on username and password. Next, click Plan and Register for Classes from the menu. You'll want to be sure that it is your assigned registration time. To check, click on Prepare for Registration. Choose the term that you would like to register for and click Continue. The next screen will show you any holds that may restrict you from registration, and right below that, you will see your assigned registration appointment for that term. You may start to register for courses on that day and time. Once you've confirmed that it's past your registration appointment, you can go back to the student screen to continue. Select Register for Courses and choose the term that you are registering for. Now it's time to search. Start with the subject that you are looking for. You can then type in the course number. Then click Search. Scroll through the different sections that are offered. Choose the one that works best for you. Be sure to click on the course title on the left to confirm that the course is being offered in the modality that you're looking for, such as in-person or online. Also confirm the starting and ending dates for the course, as some sections are a traditional 16-week course and others may be as short as 8 weeks. Once you've found the section that works for you, click Add on the right. The course will appear on the summary panel on the bottom right. Be sure that you choose Web Registered from the drop-down menu and click Submit. You should then see a green indicator showing that you have successfully added the class. An alternative way to add courses is to research all of your classes first on the live schedule. You can write down the CRN numbers for the courses that you wish to register for, and instead of searching for the course on this screen, you will select Enter CRN from the tabs on the top. Enter in your chosen CRNs and then proceed to click Submit from the bottom right to complete your registration.